Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's quickly go through another quick and easy tutorial of a text effect that we can do in Adobe Illustrator. This one is a 3D effect and it looks really amazing. So let's quickly dive into it. So the first thing that we are going to do is going to type our text. I'm going to use the word design. Feel free to use any word that you like, but the shorter the length of the word, the better the design will look. Once we have our text, we are going to make it big. We are going to go and select the font that we want, and we are going to adjust the kerning a bit. Also, one thing I've done is I've made the text uppercase over here because that looks better in the design. Next, we are going to right click and click on create outlines. We are going to change the color of the text. I'm using red. You can use any bright color that you want, and we are going to change the orientation to this vertical design. Next, we duplicate the text, place it as shown, and change the color to black. Now we have the front and back of the design. We are going to select both, go to symbols, click on add symbols and save it as a new symbol. The text part of the design is done, so we move it away from the working area, and then we go to shapes and we are going to create an ellipse. We are not going to use an exact ellipse. We are going to modify the corners of the ellipse as shown in the screen. Once the corners are modified, we have our shape. Next, we are going to create a 3D shape out of this. So we are going to go to effects, we are going to 3D extrude, and we are going to use the classic extrude option. The panel, we are going to enter the numbers as shown on the screen. We are going to extrude it to 1000, and we are going to go to map art. Here we are going to use the 3 plane system, and we are going to go and select our design. Make sure to scale it to fit and do the options as shown on the screen, and you will have your design ready. I will be back again with another quick and fun tutorial very soon. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Till then, watch, learn and stay safe. See you soon. Bye.